Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm right here on the streets of Dubai again, and I'm not here to do anything but to look for one particular guy. You know the famous guy, the ZamZam guy, the guy who smashes phones. I'm right here in the heart of Dubai and I want to find him and hear from him how he has become UAE's fastest growing YouTuber. It didn't happen in a day, it took him time, but he did it. I'm here looking for a shop and we're gonna find him, I can promise you, and we're gonna find out how and what has been able to keep him successful on YouTube and also on other platforms, how he has maintained steady growth. He's now going to about 25 million subscribers and followers, and I'm sure you'll be interested to know how he did it and what has kept him going. So stay tuned to the video and let's see if we're gonna meet him at the shop. This is precisely where ZamZam is located, and yeah, I'm taking it through where I'll show you their shop. So ahead of me you can see right there the Sharaf VG, a lot of shops right here. You can buy almost everything that you want. Turkey stuffs right here. You can see how busy this place is. Let's see. There's nothing you're looking for out here you will get. So let's go right in there. This is the streets of Dubai. Like I said, this is Dubai, one of the oldest settlements right here in the UAE, or in Dubai precisely, as in Emirates. Our main point is ZamZam. That's where we're going to. So, I don't want to miss my way. That place. Right here, we're going into ZamZam. Yeah, there are shops somewhere here. So hopefully we find this guy here. They've used this as a strategy to boost their business, and a lot of people do come there to check for phones and other things. So this is how the streets of Dubai look. This is how the streets look like. Not the measure streets. You can see gold is everywhere here. More than that. Indian gold, Arabian gold, whatever kind of gold. So most of the ground floor are shops. Most are shops. And then on top of the ground floor, they find people living as accommodations. Right here, this is the ground floor. So this is ZamZam. I was waiting to see this particular guy, and you can see a lot of people waiting in front of this shop. I don't know if he's in there. They said he's going to come here, but I hope he's around, and I think he is. When I got him right here. Hello. So I got him right there. Right.
Sir, मैं पंजाब ਤੋਂ ਆਈ ਹਾਂ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਓ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਂਦੇ ਜਾਂਦਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਨਾ ਸਰ ਇਦਾਂ ਬਣਾਓ ਪਲੀਜ਼
ये ग्रुप फड़ के ताज माशाल्लाह खुशी की गल नहीं ये पता नहीं पाकिस्तान ये फेक है हमारा ये नंबर पाकिस्तान आपको भी जैसे
आइए ना दोनों के साथ
23 million subscribers
Yes, we have 23 million.
for throwing phones, breaking the phones, and giving people new phones. How did you do this? Is this phone real or fake?
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria. We have so many followers from Nigeria.
From Uganda, from Nigeria, I'm
All
African.
of Africa. We
Yeah,
have,
yeah.
There is 54 countries.
Yes.
We have so many followers.
Yeah.
So you want to know I am throwing phone that is original or fake?
Yes. First, I need to see your phone and approve that it's original.
This is my phone.
Yes.
You can see this is original or fake.
Yes, this is original. I can see it's original.
Original?
Yes, that's your phone.
Okay, and I am using this is my personal phone, and you can see this.
Wow.
Check it is broken or not. You can see. Broken?
not broken.
Not broken.
Yeah.
So guys, this is real.
This is
This is for Nigerian fan. Thank you.
Thank
very
you
much.
so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, bro.